Guys, ito po yung church ng Mandawi, no? St. Joseph Church at Mandawi City.
Doors to the end will be saved. When they persecute you,
guys, ayan pong harapan ang City Hall ng Mandawi. Ayan, andito po tayo sa harap ng church ng St. Joseph Church of Mandawi City, Cebu.